Hello and welcome to my channel. So today in this video I will be showing you how you can create toggle switches and drop down menu. Like in the part 1 video I have explained you about the radio button, creating radio button and checkboxes. So in this part we will be learning about how we can create toggle switches and drop down menu. Okay, so yeah, let's get started. Okay, first of all, I need a toggle switch, right? So for that, okay, okay. So the width is um, 37 and the height is 22. Okay, just round the corner here. Okay, now do one thing. Okay, a circle I need. Here you need to have the fill. You just need a stroke. That's it. That's it, right? This is fine. Now I'll just group it. Okay, now wait, this is the default state, right? Now I want this to be little bit gray color, okay, which is not selected, so this would look like this one. Now create a component here and add a variant of this component. Now click on this, okay, and then move it to the right side. That's it. Okay, okay, and this would be having a fill but of a light color. Okay, maybe I'll be having a blue color for this circle. Okay, and this color also will be a shade of blue but a very light shade. Okay, okay, so this is okay, just connect them. Okay, on click they should be changing to this one. Okay, so your toggle switch is created. Now same thing, click and hold on alt and then take this to this frame where we will be testing. Okay, for example, let me have an option 1 here. Okay, this is option 1 and option 2. Option 2. Okay, let's go to the prototype screen and let's check if it is working. Can you see? Yeah, so this is how you can create toggle switches. Okay, now I am about to move to the drop down. Okay, take a frame here. Okay, okay, add a fill, and I would like a little bit of rounded corners here. I think it was not visible to you here. I'll be Bringing this out of this frame. Corner smoothing I'm using. Okay. So here I will be having select, and I would want a drop down also, right? So I can get it from the material symbols, or even you can use iconify, okay, whichever you like. Okay, drop down. So here you can go with this. Okay, so here I have placed it. Now, okay, mm, okay, this can be regular and a little bit. I'll not have a pure black here. Same color as that text I will have. Okay. Okay, so this is what I have created now. Now I would want what the drop down values, right? So I'll duplicate the same thing and I'll remove this drop down icon from here. Okay, now just make this a little bit longer, increase the height of this one, and duplicate this frame itself. Okay, duplicate this frame and then move it inside and create a type of section inside. Okay, okay, this will be option 1. I'll reduce the size. Option 1. Okay, duplicate this section here, bring it down. Option 2. Option 3. Just, yeah, okay. Now make it a component here. Okay, create component. That's it. Now I'll bring it inside this one. Okay, now what I want is I want some of the variants of it, right? So let it be the default one where this will be. I just clicked on control and then I make it smaller. Okay, the height, and then you need to click on clip content. That's it. So this is the default one. Okay, now if I click on, okay, I'll be connecting afterwards. First of all, let me create some other variant of it. Okay, so this is the variant where option 1 is selected. Okay, okay, here option 2 will be selected. This is the state where option 2 is selected, and here this will be option 3. Okay, now if I click on this variant, if I click on this main, which is the default one, this should open. This one, this drop down should open. Now option 1, if I click on option 1, this should be changing to this variant. Option 2, this one, and option 3 this variant. Now if I again want to click on, wait, I'll show you why I'll be connecting it. If you see it, I think it will be easy for you to understand. Okay. Okay. So can you see if I again want to close the drop down, if I click on the select, then it is not closing. So what for that I need to click on this one, connect it back to the default one where nothing is selected. Okay, now it's closing. Now I click on option 1. Now it's not giving me the option to again open the drop down and select my other options. Now for that, what I'll do is I'll just select these three options. I cannot do it at once. I think it will be difficult for me to understand. I'll just click on the option 1. This should be opening. Again I'll go to the option 2. This should open, and then this should open again if I click. So that's it. Now you would see that it's like properly, it's just working properly. See, if nothing is selected, then this is in a select state. Option 1, option 2, option 3. Done. So that is it for this video. Okay, and if you have got any doubt, let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in my next video. Thank you so much.